everyone, I hope you all are doing well today. We are doing just fine over here. So today I wanted to hop on here quickly and just chat with you all about 4 simple activities that you can do with using just flashcards. Alright, so let's get started. So the number 1 thing you can do is drills. You can just, if your children are really small, then you can just go through flashcards and saying them yourself and showing them, say if it's the alphabet or if it's shapes or if it's colors or whatever it is that the flashcards are about. Just go through them on your own and just say A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, or this is a square, triangle, circle. These kind of things are super easy to do. They don't take a lot of time. They do take less than 5 minutes of your time to just go through, and it's just familiarizing them with familiarizing them and giving them a visual of what A looks like, 1 looks like, shapes look like, colors look like, etc. So number 1 is drill. Number 2 is Play-Doh. So if you're practicing, say, writing, you're in the process of teaching your child to learn how to write, you can take Play-Doh, if it's your thing, and you can have them make the shape of the letter using Play-Doh on top of the flashcard. Now, of course, in order to do this, you would need a flashcard that is pretty durable. I would say maybe even laminated. I don't know if the paper ones or the cardboard ones that you get at, say, the local dollar store or local department store would be able to tolerate many Play-Doh activities before they would just give in and get ruined, but you can certainly try. And number 3, you can play hide and seek. So one thing that I used to do with my children, especially when they were learning their colors, is I made flashcards, color flashcards, all colors of the rainbow, and then I would hide them around our living room, and they would each take a turn trying to find me a color. And so that's a really fun way for them to kind of learn colors, but you can do this with numbers, you can do it with shapes, you can do it with the alphabet, you can do it with whatever it is that you have on a flashcard. You can play hide and seek with, and they really do enjoy it, especially if your children are preschool, kindergarten age. They do it. And number 4, you can draw on them. Again, this would be something that I would recommend if you had like a laminated flashcard, but you can take a dry erase marker and you can draw on top of the flashcard and just wipe it away when you're finished. This is something you can do if you're learning, again, to write, if you're learning shapes and you're learning how many sides a shape has. Even coloring, because you can get dry erase markers in all different kinds of colors. So yeah, you could even color on top of a flashcard that was meant to teach your child colors. So there you go, 4 easy and simple things that you can do using just flashcards. These are games and they're educational learning paths that you can use to help your child familiarize themselves with whatever it is that you are learning on that flashcard. So I hope that was helpful for some of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button before the video is over. Until next time.